unite and be stronger than ever before. I am not starting a new party. That was fake news. When I left office just 6 weeks ago, we had created the most secure border in U.S. history. We had built almost 500 miles of a great border wall that helped us with these numbers, because once it's up, you know, they used to say a wall doesn't work. Well, you know what I've always said? Walls and wheels, those are two things that will never change. The wall has been amazing. It's been incredible, and little sections of it to complete. They don't want to complete it. They don't want to complete little sections in certain little areas. They don't want to complete, but it's had an impact that nobody would have even believed. It's amazing, considering that the Democrats' #1 priority was to make sure that the wall would never, ever get built, would never, ever happen, would never get financed. We got it financed. We ended catch and release, ended asylum fraud, and brought illegal crossings to historic lows. When illegal aliens trespass across our borders, they were promptly caught, detained, and sent back home. And these were some rough customers. I want to tell you, some rough customers were entering our country. It took the new administration only a few weeks to turn this unprecedented accomplishment into a self-inflicted humanitarian and national security disaster. When it comes to the critical matter of getting America's children back to school, and they must get back, and get back right now. Right now. Crazy. Terrible. Terrible. The Biden administration is actually bragging about the classroom education they are providing to migrant children on the border, while at the same time millions of American children are having their futures destroyed by Joe Biden's anti-science school closures. Think of it. One of my proudest accomplishments as president was to make America energy independent. The United States became the #1 energy superpower on earth. #1. Became #1. Bigger than Saudi Arabia, bigger than Russia by a lot. We left them all in the dust. They were all in the dust. But if the Democrats have their way, we are heading from energy dominance to energy disaster. That's what's happening. You have to see what's going on. Everything's being closed up. It's a disaster. The blackouts we saw in California last summer and all the time, and the windmill calamity that we're witnessing in Texas. Great state of Texas. We love Texas. But it's so sad when you look at it. That'll just be the start. How bad is wind power? So I talk about it all the time at CPAC, right? We went to CPAC, remember last, I said, we're going to watch the president. Well, Alice.
안녕하십니까. 이호근 방송입니다. 전 서울대 교수, 현 광주 과기대 교수이신 성원용 교수의 신안 앞바다 8기가 새가 많이 죽는다. 그리고 풍력 발전기의 날개 끝의 속도는 시속 수백 킬로미터이다. 비행기가 머리 위로 지나가는 소리가 난다. 그 지역은 연안읍이 활발한데 어찌 어민 피해가 없겠는가. 이렇게 대규모로 세워도 얻어지는 전력은 짓다가 중단한 신한울 원전 3, 4호기 정도에 해당한다.
Republican president will make a triumphant return to the White House, and I wonder who that will be. I wonder who that will be. Standing before you today, I am supremely confident that for our movement, for our party, and for our country, our brightest days are just ahead. And that together we will make America prouder, freer, stronger, and greater than it ever has been before. Thank you, CPAC. God bless you, and God bless America. Thank you all. Thank you.